Hey everyone, welcome back to echohive. This time we're going to look at all methods for Python dictionaries. We have done the string methods and list methods. Now it's time for dictionary methods. I have found them all here from w3schools.com. I'll put the link in the description. All I'm going to do is copy all this, come to OpenAI's playground using text7003. I have pasted them here, as you see, and then I just simply said, give me examples of each method with sample dictionaries and a comment with explanation. And just to make it fun, I said use Monster Hunter game stats. I don't know if you play Monster Hunter. It's a pretty cool game. I'm not sure if the stats are correct. My friend actually plays it a lot, but I'm not really into it. Anyway, so it made these dictionaries and then give examples to each method. And I have copied it all into Visual Studio Code. We're going to see what each one does. I'll comment this out. But just so you see, if I were to delete it all, it shall give us a whole new list. This time it's given differently. Also, yeah, that's fine. It makes no difference though. And just so quickly talk about dictionaries. So a dictionary is a key value pair, right? For example, GitHub Copilot is suggesting, for example, name is a key and Zara is its value, and then age is a key and 7 is its value. And class is like, say, it's the first going to Zara is going to first grade, something like that. Dictionaries are pretty cool. Sometimes these are the only data structure that you can use to solve some problems. Anyway, let's get into it. So the clear method. This method removes all elements from a dictionary. Monster health is a key. 100 is its value. Monster name is Rathalos. Monster weakness is thunder. And then it's assigned to the dictionary monster underscore stats. Monster underscore stats.clear is an in-place function. It clears it, and it now should print an empty dictionary, as we see right here. So that is clear. Let's move on to copy. This method returns a copy of the dictionary, a monster underscore stats.copy. And if we run it, it prints it. The cool thing with this is that you can now modify either the copied dictionary and the original dictionary, and they won't be affected, I believe. So that's the cool part about it. From keys, I actually have two examples to it. So what this does is this method returns a dictionary with the specified keys and value. So for example, you can write it this way, or you can do it in the second way down here. Monster stats equals dict from keys. So these are the keys in a list. And then you can enter only one value. After that, if you print that, each one of the keys will be equal to the value. Actually, this is incorrect. It won't print this. Yeah, each key will be equal to the same value. The use case for this is probably like, let's say you want to initialize a dictionary, for example, with the exact same values, which you're going to change later, maybe algorithmically or something like that. And the second way of doing it is this way. For example, we can completely get rid of this. So monster stats keys is the keys are monster health, monster name, and monster weakness. It's given in a tuple, right? Monster stat values, this is also another tuple, 100, Rathalos thunder. Now, if you say new dict is dictionary from keys, monster underscore stats keys, monster stats values. So it's going to assign these values to these keys. And as you see, monster health is the same tuple. Each one of the keys have the exact same tuple. So this is a singular value, treated as a singular value. You could have just said 100 here, and this will be a replication of what we did before, as you see right here. Okay. And get method is this method returns the value of the specified key. So you say monster underscore name is monster underscore stats dot get monster name should print Bartholos because that's the value associated with that key, and that's exactly what we get. Items. This method returns a list containing a tuple for each key value pair. So if you were to say monster stats.items and we print this, we get a list of each one of the key value pairs in a tuple. If we run this, that's exactly what we get right here. Keys. This method returns a list containing the dictionary's keys. So monsterstat.keys equals the monsterstat.keys underscore keys, that is, right? And then this should print only the keys, which is monster health, monster name, monster weakness. I just want to say that we could have also done it like this, right? We don't have to assign it to a variable. Here we go. We can just say monster underscore stats, which is the dictionary dot keys, should print the exact same thing, as you see. So it's the same thing. Pop. This method allows, this method removes the element with the specified key. So if we say monster underscore stats pop monster name, and then the monster name will be removed. Here we go. Only the monster health and monster weakness remains. Sorry about that. That was my phone. Pop item. This method removes the last inserted key value pair. So it pops the last item, which should pop the monster weakness is thunder. And when we run it, we only have monster health and monster name remaining. So pop removes the last element, key value pair. Set default. This method returns the value of the specified key. If the key does not exist, insert the key with the specified value. Okay, so monster stats. So this is exactly the one the same dictionary as before, but then we say monster stats.set default, monster weakness is fire. And then now we can actually, if we print it, prints thunder. Because monster weakness, monster stats, so that's set default. This method returns the value of the specified if the key does not insert it with, I'm a bit confused on that. Set default, get the value of the model item, model Bronco. Set default, the set default method returns the value of the item with the specified key. If the key does not exist, insert the key with the specified value. Okay, color white. Oh, sorry. What if we were to print monster stats? Oh, okay. What happened? You know, I'm a bit lost on this one. I guess this requires more in-depth research. I've never used it myself, but we won't get bogged down by that. This method updates the dictionary with the specified key value pair. So monster stats.update, monster weakness fire, monster resistance ice, then it will add those two new key value pairs to the dictionary. If you print, as you can see, the monster weakness and resistance have been added. This is a good one. Values. This is the last one. This method returns a list of all the values in the dictionary. So if you say monster stat.values, right, it will print all the values. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll do more of these short ones covering many interesting facts about Python. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. See you in the next one.